Hey, Rudy here. This video is all about China, as my friend Donald would say. Interesting. So this is monthly charts going back since GFC time. So we've got this period of sort of significant resistance here, and we're banging up against a bit of a shooting star. We'll go back to the monthly. Bit of a shooting star there. So you know what happens when shooting stars get broken. There they go. So we'll have a look at the holdings. So you got 8%, 8, 8, 8, 6, 6. So that's the relative weightings as we go through them. But it looks pretty juicy. That's a weekly chart. Okay, so you've got Alibaba. I think you know who they are. Got a rounded bottom. You know, I love rounded bottoms. So breaking through the trend line, up, consolidate. Next move, usually up, so that's okay. 10 cent. I think you heard of them before. So there's our bull flag and break, consolidating at weekly highs, so that's good. Xiao Corporation, they manufacture smartphones, basically. I think they're like the bid of smartphones. So they've been consolidating since February 25. You can see we're now at this uptrend line, so I think we're buying somewhere near the bottom there. China Construction Bank. So I think you know what a bank does. So that's got a nice falling wedge there. Falling wedges when broken are bullish. So we just looks like it might want to come back a little bit, but it's forming a bullish formation. Metion, they are like an online food delivery, hotel booking in China on-demand services market. So there's a few of them in that place. So it's waiting to break that triangle, the declining line here. So it hasn't done it yet, but again, a rounded bottom. You can maybe actually you can see there's a bit of a declining wedge going on there. So that's good. A bit of a cup and a little handle. And then lastly, the industrial and commercial bank. So we've got a bit of a bull flag happening, a bit like this one by the looks of it. Come back to so you might need to come back like the other one to the trend line here. That's for those technocrats, that's the 20. So this is on a weekly chart, 20 weekly average. So they all look sort of bottom to up. So and that already looks up. So they must have a whole bunch of companies underneath it hitting all-time highs. Look at IZZ over VAZ, so over Australia. Interesting rounded bottom going on there. So it hasn't broken yet. So it's really been on par what we're looking at their weekly charts since April 25. I did a one on India yesterday. So IZZ over India. You'd have to say IZZ's probably looking. We've got higher lows on an upper trend line that hasn't been broken. So there's a bit of resistance around there. So, but technically you'd have to say IZZ. Okay, IZZ over IVV, so over Mr. Mr. America. You can see Mr. America, well, like most charts, America has been dominating everything. I reckon there's a bit of rotation starting to go on. So it's broken that downward declining wedge there. Break, come back, find support. So it's finding support on the moving average there. So that looks quite juicy. And then the last one, I've always got to do the benchmark now against the king. I'm going to die because of this. Okay, so this is IZZ over MVR. Go to a weekly chart. So IZZ had been outperforming, but the king has been outperforming since April. It's broken so might be a case of up and kiss goodbye. But I'd call that a draw with a bias to the king MVR. All right, let me know what you think about it. All right, see ya.